guys, and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. We're going to start today with a beach holiday design. This is perfect for summer. You want to begin with Oolong Tea, which is your nude base. Make sure you do 2 coats of that. Then do Blue Raspberry, which is one of our gorgeous jelly shades for the first line of blue. The second line of blue is Mirtillo, just to add a bit of a gradient colour here. And underneath, we are going to use our darkest shade, which is Ocean Ridge. All 3 gorgeous colours. You want to make sure you leave a little bit of a gap in between. It doesn't have to be neat. And then you're going to use an ombre brush and just create some small brush strokes to blend all 3 colours together. Because this is our jelly range, the colours are slightly transparent, and that makes the colours really easy to blend together. They mix seamlessly, and I would say this is very beginner friendly. But once you've done that, pop it in the lamp to cure. And we're going to get on here with mixing Snow White and base coat to make a milky white colour, which is going to mimic the foam of the whitewash in the ocean. Using a 3D brush, we're just going to place an even coat of this all over the blue. Don't worry if it looks strange or messy, we are going to create something absolutely stunning in a second. Fabulous. Once you have covered all of the blue and you feel happy with your coverage, you're going to use a dotting tool and dip it into some top coat. We haven't cured this nail yet, and you are just going to add some little dots all over that colour, and it should start to separate the white from the blue. And this gives you the effect of the waves and the bubbles under the water. Now, using a detailing brush, we are just going to add some extra white details to create a little bit more of a whitewash within the water. As you can see, this is starting to come together really, really lovely, and it's super easy to do. So for the bubbles here, we are just using dish soap, and you're just going to pop that onto the nail while it's wet, and then once you've cured it, just wipe away any excess, and that should give you a really quick, easy bubble effect. Don't forget to top coat at the end, and this is your finished ocean beach wave nail. It's gorgeous, it's easy to do, and gorgeous for summer nails. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and please do not forget to subscribe, comment and like, and also hit the bell button if you want to see more. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.